There are multiple ways to secure the login of your PC with the GoldKey. But first I'm going to talk about how you can secure your computer's login just using the GoldKey and the GoldKey hierarchy. So if you hit Control-Alt-Delete, then you're given this menu in Windows. And this will work in Windows 7 or Windows Vista. And you choose Change a Password, and then you choose Other Credentials. And you'll notice that since I have a GoldKey plugged in, I have two other options besides just the password. I have where I can change the PIN of my GoldKey, and then I have this other option where I can enable GoldKey login. And this is where I put in my old Windows password, and then I can specify the GoldKey PIN and lock the account with the GoldKey. So let's go ahead and do it. So we enter the Windows password, and then we enter the PIN for the GoldKey, and then we select the group that we want to use. And then we hit OK, and it says that the account has been locked. And it's as simple as that. This computer is now secured, so in order to log in or to even unlock the computer, you have to have the GoldKey connected. We're now going to talk about Mac OS X, and particularly Snow Leopard. So very first, we need to have a GoldKey that already has a certificate on it. The Mac login uses the smart card login. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Terminal and use a tool that comes with Mac called SC-Auth, SC_AUTH. And I run it, and of course it shows the help menu for it. You can see what it can do. It can accept, which assigns a new certificate to a user, or it can remove, which removes that certificate from the user, and then it can also show the list of hashes. So I have a GoldKey already connected, and before I can do anything, I really have to be running with administrative privileges. So I'm going to use sudo -s, and now I have administrative privileges. So the first thing I'm going to do is scauth hash, which shows the list of hashes for different certificates that the Mac knows about. And you'll notice that the first one here is a PIV authentication private key, and that's the one I'm going to use. And I specify the user. I see that hash has been assigned. So we're ready to go. So now I'm going to try locking this account and see if this actually worked. So with the GoldKey plugged in, all I have to do is type in my PIN. And it verifies the private key on the GoldKey using the certificate and the hash that we gave it, and I'm logged in. This gives you the ability to secure your Mac accounts using the GoldKey. GoldKeys can be used with Active Directory. This is done by using the smart card that's built into the GoldKeys, and Active Directory already has a lot of built-in support for smart cards. Starting with Windows 7, Windows even comes with the needed functionality for the GoldKeys to work without any additional software. Now in my example here, I have a computer that's joined to an Active Directory domain, and I have the computer locked right now, and it will require my GoldKey with a smart card certificate on it in order to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my GoldKey, and you'll see since it's Active Directory I have to hit Control-Alt-Delete to continue, and now it's prompting me for my GoldKey PIN. And this is a standard Windows 7 feature that's built right into the operating system. So I type in my PIN, and I'm immediately logged in. And you'll notice how fast that is. One of the features of the GoldKey is that they are very fast. And compared to some of the slower smart cards, you'll notice a noticeable improvement as you use the GoldKey for different operations.